How are you guys? You alright? Yeah. So today we're gonna have some surprise eggs. Yeah. Who wants surprise eggs? Me. Yay! Everybody wants surprise eggs. Okay, we're gonna sit nice guys on our chairs. Yeah. That's it. JJ, you want a surprise egg? Yeah? Yay! What you got, Lily?
A Kinder Joy!
Wow!
And it's got snowman on it.
JJ, what you got, buddy?
Luckily!
Yay! Lila, what you got, darling?
Wow, it's Santa Claus!
Santa Claus? Oh my God!
Open it!
Can you open it? Mummy help? Wow, what you getting? Okay. Go on then, sit on your seat. Good boy, Ray. What's Lily got? Lila, what did you get, baby?
I got Santa Claus.
Santa. Oh, what's your surprise, JJ? Go over there. Mum's going to open it for you.
Because it's almost Christmas. Yeah.
What did you get? Look, Mum's got it.
Santa Claus.
What is it, Jay? Uh-oh. You just want the chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Wow.
That's my bin.
Wow, that yours?
That's my bin.
Your balloon?
That's my bin.
Where's your spoon? There it is. Ta-da!
Off.
Yay! You like it? Lila, so nice? Is it nice, Lila?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lala, sticker.
What did Lila got?
A sticker.
What did you get? Where's your toys? Whoa! They're nice.
That's mine.
That's yours, yeah.
That's
Where's Lily's?
Leah.
There. Where's Lila's?
Leah.
Where's Trey's?
Leah.
Oh, that's nice, Trey. You like it?
Not mine.
What's your one, darling?
Leah.
That one? I think that was Lily's. I think Lila wants it, yeah?
Leah.
Yay!
Oh no, that one. That mine, John.
That's yours, baby. Yay! Green!
That's yellow. Or white. A yellowy white.
Nice, JJ? Yeah. Pull it out. Wowzers. Okay, guys. Whoop, whoop. Say bye, everybody.